Then 999 table, 999 table, shortcut method. Here same method. We have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here reverse 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here என்ன பண்ணலாம் 999 டபுள் 9 போடணுங்க. சென்டரில் டபுள் 9 போடணும். Therefore, this is the shortest method for 999 table. Shortest method for 99 table. Here, how will you determine? First row column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second.